Hey everyone, so today we're going to be following up on the car. We're going to be attempting to restore that seat over there. It's the Doc Bailey's kit. Apparently this is quite good, so we'll give it a go. So I've already given the seat a good vacuum, so I'm just going to use some upholstery cleaner and just give everything a good clean here. If there's anything loose or flaky, I'll just take it off. And the kit we're going to be using is this Doc Bailey's. We don't get this over here, so I had to order this from Amazon. The reason I'm using the brush is just to get off any loose or flaking bits. So this is the before applying the Doc Bailey's. So I've just taped up the non-leather part of the seat because we only want it on this part here because it's a semi-leather seat. So you get the buff pad. So this is just a buff of the extra, and you get this sponge over here. This is the applicator. So all you have to do is apply a little bit of this onto here. We'll just try it at the front here first, and just to make sure that the color is okay. I've just got a little tiny bit there. I'll just try it out here first. Seems to be okay, so we'll fade it in. So once you apply this, you have to leave it for 1 hour to cure properly. So I'll go ahead and apply it, show you how it's applied, and then we'll leave it for 1 hour and come back to it. I'll bring you in, I'll zoom up into this area here, so hopefully you can see the difference when I apply it. So we'll let that sit for an hour and we'll come back to it.
1 hour later.
Now it's been 1 hour, so we'll just go ahead and buff the seat using the white cloth, and we'll just see if anything comes off. So if you get the whole kit, it comes with the applicator and the buffing cloth. So hopefully you can see that a little bit came off, but overall everything else is basically absorbed into the seat, which is good. So far I'm pleased with the results. It seems to have done a good job. It's never going to be perfect. If you wanted it to be perfect, you'd have to fill in all the cracks and then get it resprayed. But I'm happy with the job. It's come out pretty well. And it still feels like the same. Between both sides, it feels about the same as well. So I'll just do some slow-mo shots so you can see what the end results were, the before and after. And yeah, so if you want to use these on your Vacaros, they work well, so I would recommend it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. See ya. It even works to fix synthetic leather, but you have to leave it at least 24 hours to cure properly.